In this final video where we talk about our sales page, we're going to talk a lot about social proof, establishing your authority, and showing people that they should buy from you and not from someone else. You might have noticed in my previous video where I walked you through some of the sections of the sales page that I included social proof, testimonials. So when I mentioned a certain aspect of the course, something that's included in it, I added a testimonial that fits that specific point. I did this for all the sections that I added in. And the next part of our sales page is actually the introduction to yourself. So this is where you introduce yourself to your prospect. Now, these people may know you, they may not, they may have just joined your list. Maybe they've been on your list for a while and they got into this funnel after quite a long time of knowing you, but most people will not know you as well as you hope they do. So this is where you actually get the chance to tell them about yourself and brag a little so that you can prove to them and show them that you are the right person to learn from or to purchase the product from. So I'll read you this section that I've created and then we can talk about each one. So it says, hi there, I'm your conversion expert, which is my job title, my role, but it can be anything of who you are essentially. So first, introduce yourself. I'm the founder of this company and I help my clients and students achieve these amazing results you've been dreaming about you. After co-founding a successful X company and doing this for some of the largest brands in the world, today I mention all the awesome things you do now for clients. Establish your credibility. I've taught on stages such as conference names and the different workshops that you've taught and many, many more. Mention all your amazing achievements online that people will admire. Call to action. If you'd like to learn how to get more people to say yes on your landing pages and achieve those record-breaking results you're after, join the academy below. So as you saw, I broke it into different sections. So the first part is introduce yourself. And this is where you go inside and you explain who you are. You're the founder of, or you are this person who works in this company and this is what you do. This is what the company does. And these are the results that you get for your customers / clients. So if it's students, then this is what you want to mention. And if it's clients, then you want to mention something else. But the idea is that you're telling them who you are and the results that you deliver, because this is going to be the first part that people read, and you want to really intrigue them and get them wanting to read more to get to know more about you. Then you dive more into the About You section. Now, obviously, in this section, you're supposed to delete the About You, where it says, where I've written to you what to write in. But it says, after co-founding, now this is essentially my bio, but after co-founding a successful conversion optimization company and doing this and this and this for some of the largest brands in the world, so increasing their conversions and creating courses for people, today I do X, Y, and Z. So today I mentor the biggest companies in the world. Today I teach courses all over the world. Today I work with the biggest brands to help them achieve amazing results in conversion optimization, whatever it is that you're proud of that you've done. Establish your credibility by saying what you've done. Have you written for different publishers? Have you worked with some specific well-known companies? Have you worked for, as in an employee in some of these companies? Whatever you can mention as something that's known that people will recognize would be amazing. So I've taught on stages such as Google or CTA Conf or MozCon or many other huge conferences and many more. And basically I'm saying these are the things that people know of, that admire, and this is how I'm establishing my credibility. And lastly, you want to call them to take an action. So if you want to learn all of this amazing stuff I've been telling you about from a person like me, then enroll below. Now, the idea here is that this section is social proof. And social proof doesn't only have to be in a form of testimonials. It can be in a form of mentioning where you've spoken on stage, where you've written for, who you've written blog posts for, companies you've worked for. It could be reviews that you've been receiving for your product. It could be many different things, using images and job descriptions and people's names and all sorts of different things to establish that credibility that you have. And obviously over here, you'll want to add a photo of yourself, who obviously this is not me. You want to think about the different guarantees that you can offer. So for example, one of the things that I offer in most of my courses is a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's a no-risk 30-day money-back guarantee to remove any concerns you may have and let you take this program for a test drive. So essentially, we're trying to create a sense of trust and a sense of calm when someone's signing up or enrolling or buying your product, that they can trust you. This is being taught or being delivered by very professional people who have a lot under their belts, and they have many different people essentially happy and excited about the results they're getting from you. Lastly, on the sales page, you'll want to mention the price of the product that you're selling. So this course is $97 per month, but it could be any price. And of course, what you want to do is write the name of it and give the 2-second value of it. So learn how to create high converting landing pages that sell more. And you'll want to put in an image of the product itself. Now, the idea here is that you're constantly thinking about how to present this product that you're selling to people. And I have found through thousands of A/B tests that I've run for clients that the more social proof you add, the more credibility you add to your page, the more likely it is that people will buy from you. So if you have people who have taken your courses, people who have bought your courses, previous clients, so if this is a new product and you don't have customers, but you do have previous clients or partners or coworkers who can provide testimonials about you, this is the time to ask for those testimonials for those quotes. And I want you to think about it in a different way. Don't ask people to just say, wow, this product is amazing, or wow, this person is brilliant. But think about the specific point you're trying to get to drive through, to get through, and have a testimonial about that. So if you're trying to say that you're professional, that you've done amazing things, then get testimonials that prove that you have provided amazing results for people. Or if you're trying to just say that you're well known and that many people study from you or learn from you, then maybe write down the amount of students that you have, or the amount of people who have bought your products previously, or how many companies you've established in the past, or how many people you've helped lose weight, or whatever it is that you're selling. Numbers are very, very powerful. If you have hundreds of people who are subscribed to your list, or thousands of people, then this would be the time to say, join thousands of people who are already enjoying our products or our content, who are already learning from us. So social proof is a very big, strong factor to add into your sales page. And if you have, if you've written for different publishers, then you might want to put in the logos of these companies and these blogs that are relevant to what you're selling. So I strongly recommend adding all of these into your landing page, into your sales page throughout. Now, we've covered in all of these videos, we've covered the entire funnel. We spoke about the landing page itself. We spoke about the different emails that you can send to people and how you can prime people and really hook them onto your product and send them to your sales page. And finally, we spoke about the different elements of the sales page. Now, it's in GetResponse for you guys so that you can edit it to your needs. There's so many more sections you can add. There's so many things that you can remove. But the most important thing in my book, and this is what I teach all of my students, is that in order to create high converting funnels, you really do need to know your customers really well, understand their pains, and most importantly, understand their desired outcomes. If you can understand what they're looking for and what they really want to feel at the end of the day after purchasing your product, you can create high converting funnels that really address those needs. And this is how it's easier for me to create these pages, because I know what people dread. I know how people feel when they try to create landing pages, and I know how they want to feel. So all of this is very powerful. So I strongly recommend really doing some research about your visitors or about your customers and clients in order to create a high converting funnel that will sell more of your product. So I look forward to seeing all of your products and your funnels, and I will see you soon. Bye.